Hey, what's going on, family? It's your boy again, Carpet Cleaner Trading with Dreddy. Back again with you with another video. Woo! Family, oh my God, what did I walk into? This is some tile cleaning out. Yo, it's one of the nightmares right now, man. I just want to run away, man. I just want to go somewhere, man. On a beach. You know, overseas, Cancun. Why in the world these people schedule something like this? You know what I'm saying? Some stuff, you know what? Send the painters back in here, scrape all this up. They should have known better, man. You don't spray over tile. If you're doing an apartment complex, put something on the floor. But you know what? They get these rookie painters. They trying to speed through this stuff and then give the carpet cleaners more work than what we really accustomed to. From what more work than what we really need. Look at this crap. Huh? Yo, at the end of the day, we gotta pre-treat this, let it soak, come back, and hopefully it comes out, because there's no guarantee that all this is gonna come out. Luckily, I was told this is a flat base paint, water base. So after it's soaked, it should come out. But the whole thing is, with what I do, I have a schedule, okay? And with jobs like this, it takes you a little bit longer, and you can get sidetracked. You can forget to call the next people. But you know what? I'm gonna knock this out. I was told, just go ahead. Focus on it. All right, so that's what we're doing. So we're going to pre-treat it, let it sit, prep the area, make sure there's no debris in there on the floor, and just try to take our time and knock this out, because this is totally ridiculous. This is unacceptable. All right, this is hogwash. This is who raised you. This is. Let me give you a smack behind the head, painter. All right? Painters, we got to do better, man. We got to do better, man. You should know better than this, man. Come on, bro. Come on, dog. Spread it down a lot. I mean, it's moving, but so we're supposed to let that soak, and then we'll go do the other one, and hopefully, that one is not too bad. So yeah, we out. Peace. So yeah, family, I mean, the other unit had to basically sweep up, really and truly. They're supposed to have the cleaners come and at least sweep off the tile before we come in, but sometimes they don't really make it. So we gotta do the cleaning as far as sweeping stuff on the carpet. I think this carpet might be replaced. It better be. I'm hoping it is. But you have stuff like that where some of these apartment complexes, they don't give a damn. Some places, should replace certain carpets, and then they then the easier way would just be to clean it. And sometimes, yeah, sometimes you do need to clean the carpet. See, this hasn't been cleaned at all. Usually, the cleaners would come in. Whoa, what's happening there? Usually, tighten it up so we don't have to be sweeping. But, you know, that's not how it is. That's not how it is, bro.